We are not talking about killing. We are not talking about Samhara. That is why the instrument of Shiva is a Trishul. Three, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesha. Combined it acts like one goal. So Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara. And now this Maheshwara aspect is Kamadhenu. So Gayatri Mantra talks about the three aspects of the energy which you can either take or relieve, prana or apana, as Vyana, Udana, Samana. Now I think you can help me in understanding what is the Vishnu aspect in these three words, Samana, Vyana and Udana. Samana. Samana means maintenance. Now you have also become experts. It is as simple as that in practical life. Udana. Udana means lifting up. That is Brahma. Lifting up from the same things. And third one we need not discuss, we understand. Shiva is Vyana. Vyana means expanding all over. Auspiciousness, expanding all over. So this Adhyatmika formula, when we talk about Guru, we are not talking about a human being. We are talking about a dispenser of ignorance. Guru means remover of ignorance. Andhakar ko dur karne wala. So wherever you feel that something is removing your ignorance in all these three aspects, believing that you are an expert in utilizing prana and apana, you are already expert, that is why we are moving all these things. You have to learn these three things. Now, if Gayatri Mantra says that creativity comes from the sun rays, maintenance also comes from the sun rays with water. To maintain, you need sun rays with water. And then to spread it, you grow rice for yourself, you are not spreading it, there is no Shiva. But when you spread the rice you have created to all human beings, it is Shiva. Is this clear? All of you? So when you are useful, the way you are doing something, you are using the aspects of which prana? Vyana. If you are maintaining it, Samana. And if you are creating it, Udana. So any act you are doing something is just there. It is looking bad, or you washing your clothes. What are you doing? You have to learn what type of prana shakti you are utilizing. The first is you have to remove it from your body or from where it is there. That removal is apana. Then what do? You have to add soap and this and water and this. What is this?
Prana.
Which prana? Three types of pranas we are utilizing. Samana, Udana and Vyana. So what are we applying? You apply more soap or less soap? You use more water or less water? Samana. Depending upon the number of clothes, is it not? So that is Samana you are utilizing. And many times we are not utilizing Samana at that time, I know. We just pour it like that. And when you have finished washing and you dry it, what do? Shiva, Vyana, you are helping your child's clothes, your husband's clothes. So in practical life, when you are aware of all these five aspects of energy, one peculiar thing happens. And a very peculiar thing happens. What you want, You need not act for it. It comes to you, it flows to you. Can you understand the vastness of the substance? When you want something, what you have to do is not to do anything. You want to become an engineer, what do? You sit quietly and hear. That is where yesterday I was trying to explain you that Shruti and Smruti. You hear and then remember. This is the practical process. And when we talk of Dattatreya, how many gurus he has? And which human guru is there? Nature. If you can become a Dattatreya by nature's help, can you imagine what you can become in daily life? That is the concept of Guru Tattva in Gayatri. All the 24 gurus of Dattatreya in nature is symbolized by each letter of Gayatri Mantra. That is where I said the Sanskrit in Gayatri Mantra is not that Sanskrit. That is why when he was telling about Sanskrit, I was thinking about which Sanskrit I am going to talk. Hindi and English is okay. My Sanskrit is this Sanskrit. Tat Savitur Varenyam. 8 letters are there. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi. 8 letters are there. Dhiyo Yonaha Prachodayat. 8 letters are there. And how these 8 letters are utilized by our body, by our instruments. Again, you remember when I am talking about the instruments, I am talking about the Pancha Karmendriyas, Pancha Jnanendriyas, Pancha Pranas, and the Pancha Tattvas of which it is made. Each has its own principle. A solid principle has more Prudhi Tattva, a liquid principle has more liquid Tattva.